One of them, we know our 4 directions of dance, don't we? Wall, line of dance, reverse line of dance from the center of hall. We learned that first. If you took lessons from us, you learned that first day we did waltz. We gave you the 4 directions. We're now going to add 4 more. We're going to add 4 more directions. We have line and wall, which is a split between line of dance and the wall. We have a direction, line and wall. Certainly we have line and center. You will see those 2 figures a lot. That's halfway between a line of dance and halfway between the center of a hall. We have line and center. We also have line reverse wall, line and reverse wall, and line reverse center. So we have 4 extra directions. You're going to see a lot of them to the line and wall and center, line and center. All right, does that make sense? A lot of our phase 3 figures will no longer end facing line of dance or wall. Many of them are going to end facing diagonal wall or diagonal center. You're going to find that to be true. That's the first thing that happens when we move to higher level waltz dancing. It's not just on that square on the compass anymore. The second thing is we're going to learn a lot of figures that don't end with a closing step. They're going to end with passing steps. When we learn phase 2 waltz, if we do, how many figures do we do with a closing step? How about waltz away? Forward, forward, close. And together, waltz together. Forward, face, close. All the time, right? How about a forward waltz? If we do it correctly, we do a forward waltz. Forward, forward, close. Forward, forward, close. I hope that's what we were doing in our round dance waltz. That's what we taught. You may not be doing that, but we pass our feet in foxtrot. We close them in waltz. All right? So a lot of our waltz figures, how about progressive twinkle? Because we're going to learn something different in this class. Progressive twinkle. Forward, turn, close. Forward, turn, close. My point is closing steps at fundamental waltz levels. All of them are closing steps. What we're going to find out, we're not going to end up a lot of our figures with closing steps. We'll end up with open steps. So before we go any further, is everybody okay? 2 of the figures we teach, 2 of the phase 3 figures we teach at the beginning level is interrupted box and hover. Is anybody not familiar with either one of those? Okay, so we'll spend a couple minutes on that real quick.